Let's talk about something that's essential for everyone with a vulva: hygiene. Yes, it's crucial to keep the vulva clean, but let's be clear. When it comes to the vagina, less is more. I know, it sounds a bit counterintuitive, but stick with me here. We're diving into the details, and I promise it'll be worth your while. First off, let's clarify what we mean when we say vulva and vagina. The vulva is the external part of your genital area. Think of it as the front door to your body's inner sanctum. It includes the labia, clitoris, and vaginal opening. Keeping this area clean is vital for hygiene and to prevent infections. So how do we do that? It's actually pretty simple. You want to use warm water to gently cleanse the vulva daily. That's it. No need for fancy soaps or products that smell like a spring meadow. In fact, I'd advise you to steer clear of harsh soaps, fragrances, or antiseptics. Why? Because these can mess with your natural pH balance and lead to irritation, and that's the last thing you want. If you feel like you absolutely need a cleanser, go for something unscented, mild, or pH balanced. Your vulva doesn't need anything aggressive, it just needs a little TLC. And when you're done washing, gently pat the area dry with a clean towel. This step is super important because moisture buildup can lead to bacterial or fungal infections. So keep it clean and dry. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the vagina, the internal canal that leads to the cervix. Here's the kicker. The vagina is self-cleaning. Yup, you heard that right. It produces natural secretions that help maintain its pH and clear out harmful bacteria. So, washing the inside of your vagina, not only is it unnecessary, but it can actually do more harm than good. Dr. Simi Adedeji, a respected voice in women's health, emphasizes that the vagina has its own natural cleaning mechanism. It's like a well-oiled machine. Within it, there are good bacteria, like lactobacillus, that do all the heavy lifting. These little warriors produce lactic acid, which helps keep the vagina slightly acidic, usually around a pH of 3.8 to 4.5. This acidity is essential because it prevents harmful microorganisms from setting up shop and causing chaos. When you start introducing soaps, douches, or any cleaning agents inside the vagina, you're disrupting that delicate balance. You risk killing off those beneficial bacteria, which opens the door for harmful bacteria or yeast to thrive. Talk about a recipe for disaster. You could end up with bacterial vaginosis or a yeast infection, both of which are no fun at all. Plus, washing inside the vagina can lead to irritation or dryness, making things even worse. So, what are the best practices for keeping both your vulva and vagina healthy? Let's break it down into do's and don'ts. First, the do's. Wear breathable cotton underwear. This helps reduce moisture and keeps things airy down there. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat can actually support your body's natural pH balance. So, think about incorporating fruits, veggies, and whole grains into your meals. Practice good hygiene during your period. Change those pads or tampons regularly to keep everything clean and fresh. Now for the don'ts. Avoid douching and scented wipes. Seriously, just don't. They can disrupt your natural balance and lead to irritation. Skip the deodorants for the vaginal area. Your body knows what it's doing. Let it do its thing. Don't use abrasive materials or scrub the vulva. Gentle is the name of the game here. In conclusion, while it's essential to clean your vulva with warm water and a mild soap, your vagina is perfectly capable of taking care of itself. If you ever notice unusual odors, discharge, or irritation, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider. They can give you the proper diagnosis and treatment you might need. Remember, this is all about listening to your body and understanding its needs. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, embrace your natural self-cleaning system. Your vagina is a resilient, self-sufficient part of you, and it deserves your respect and care. So, let's spread the word. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from it. Let's break the stigma around discussing our bodies and empower each other to take charge of our health. After all, knowledge is power, and understanding our bodies is the first step toward better health. Now, go forth and embrace your body with confidence. You've got this.